The two companies not commenting on this, so we don't know there if there's truth to this story. What we know is that Burberry shares have been down more than 50% over the past 12 months, raising some question whether it could be a takeover target. And why are the shares so much lower? And that's because, of course, it is once again a turnaround story within an overall context of a slowdown in luxury demand. And it exited the FTSE 100 just in September after 15 years. It has had multiple profit warnings at Burberry. Back in July, they said that if the current trends that they were seeing were continuing, they were expecting to report an operating loss for the first half of this year. And they announced a new CEO at the same time in July, Joshua Schulman, joining the company. He used to be at Michael Kors and Coach, replacing the previous CEO that had been in the group only for a couple of years there. So there's a question of will there be a change of strategy at Burberry? Will they make it the Britain's answer to Coach and Michael Kors? So the lower end of luxury rather than the higher end that they had been targeting over the past 2 years under the previous CEO. They had brought in a new creative director, Daniel Lee, in 2023, but didn't fire up really the sales there. They pushed the prices up quite aggressively. In July, the chair of Burberry saying, look, with hindsight, maybe they went too fast, too far, and so they're reviewing their strategy. Certainly, the new management said they will be focusing on outerwear, which has been one of the strengths historically for Burberry. So they have their earnings, the H1 earnings, next week. So we will get then more insight on what the new CEO, the new management want to do with Burberry in their attempt to turn around the group. But interesting to see those rumors coming through again. We don't know anything about this. We just know what that Burberry, all this is happening. And we know that on the Moncler side, where they're just fresh off an investment from LVMH, buying a 10% stake there in the vehicle that owns Moncler, there they have the potential to raise that stake to 22% in the future. So we know that Moncler has a bit of firepower backed by LVMH, and that's what's at play in this story right now.